Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to The Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you guys can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and list of ingredients, they're down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, just click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. Today I thought I would share my recipe for banana bread with you all. Super easy, super moist, and yes, I know some of you will be triggered by that word, but it is, and it's delicious. We're gonna top everything off with a maple glaze that is to die for. If you all want the recipe, stick around and we'll get started. To get started, we're gonna cream 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of butter. Now we're going to add 2 large eggs and 1 large egg yolk to our batter. Give that a mix until it's smooth, and then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to sift all of our dry ingredients together. That's 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of espresso powder. Now to take 3 bananas, and I just pinch these up with my fingers and add them to the batter. We're going to beat these together with our mixer in a little bit anyway, so the smaller the better. Now we really want to mix this until our batter is nice and smooth. And finally, we're just going to combine our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. And I like to do this part with a spoon just because you're wanting to do it until it's just combined. You don't want to overwork this batter. And now we're going to bake this off in our loaf pan that's been sprayed, and the bottom is lined with parchment paper just to prevent sticking. And this will bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Now to make the glaze for this banana bread, we have 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that we're going to melt down over medium heat in a small pan. And you want to bring this mixture to the boil and let it boil for about 30 seconds to a minute before you remove it from the heat. And then we're going to add in our powdered sugar. To avoid getting lumps like I did, you can sift the 1/2 cup of powdered sugar into the maple syrup mixture. Now, after our bread has come out of the oven and it's cooled down a little bit, but it is still warm, we're going to make incisions in the top with a knife. This is kind of like a dump cake, so we're going to poke holes all over this before we pour our glaze on top. Now we'll just let this cool completely before we cut a slice of this out. So what'd you guys think? Look at this. Do you see that texture? It's so dense, it's so moist. It's absolutely delicious. Now this recipe literally comes together in a matter of minutes. And when this is baking, you guys, your whole house will smell like bananas. And it smells so good. That's all I've got for today. But if you like videos like this and want 2 more every week from now on, why don't you subscribe down below? Also, give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me to continue to create content. And I really do appreciate you guys for all of the likes and all of the comments. And when you share this on social media, it makes me really, really happy because the whole reason I do this is so that you all can make these recipes as well and share them with your friends and family. Also, let me know down below if you like this new editing style with the voiceover. Thank you for joining me today. From my home to yours, enjoy.